So I still remember I knocked on Sachin Tendulkar's room and he opened the door. By the way, that's another experience. While the Indian cricket team was staying over there, that's where my mimicry and my impersonation started. A lot of phone calls started to come ki, we want to speak to Sachin.
So you would do it for him?
Random people would call up and say, and political parties from Indore, from they said ki phone transfer karo. And manager would turn around and say that, sorry sir, we cannot. अरे phone transfer करो. वो लोग तो कल चले जाएंगे. तुम लोग को रहना है ना? चल phone transfer कर. So manager could not do it because you can't transfer the phone call to Sachin Tendulkar's
So you have to
room.
be those guys.
So they looked at me and said, boy, take it over. And I sat on a table just going, hello. Yes, I'm sorry I cannot give you any tickets. I'm sorry we are here only for 2 days. I cannot meet anyone.
But what did you do Steve Waugh also?
So this was happening till the moment they started speaking in Marathi. And I'm like, Mala mahit nahi. And I would keep the phone down and all that. Steve Waugh and Sachin Tendulkar, quick experiences I'll share with you. I went to Sachin Tendulkar's room, knock, knock, knock. He comes out and I said, sir, your signature.
You could run Ganguly because Ganguly you can break into Bengali also. Yeah.
So Sachin Tendulkar came, I said signature, and I said, these were the days of the
full cam.
The full reel wala camera, not mobiles and stuff like that. So I said, sir, one picture. And he says, yeah, sure, okay. And he goes to Rahul Dravid's room, which is right next, and he goes there, knocks and says, come on, quick. And I stand, so one of the maintenance guys, Nasir, I still remember his name, he was passing by again, kisi cricketer ko dekhne ke liye. He was just doing
suddenly
random rounds.
Yeah.
I said, Nasir, jaldi photo khich and all that. And I stand with Sachin Tendulkar and Nasir says, mera. Nasir khada hua. Utni der mein Sachin Tendulkar goes inside. Now, those were the days of not instant photographs, no?
Right.
So we had to wait. Camera bheja, reel dhone ke liye. The photographs came back. Nasir and Sachin Tendulkar, perfect picture. My picture, Sachin Tendulkar's full, I am till here. Nasir in full excitement.
Idiot, Nasir. And he was the captain of England.
No, he was an electrician.
Same time actually.
Yeah, same time. Yeah. But then I had to go around showing people that Sachin and Tendulkar, me, and he's like, "Tu kaha?" I said, "Naam padna."
Ye dekh, gardan dekh.
Ye naam dekh na, naam. So I would show them, "Ye dekh, naam pad, mera naam likha hua hai."
You still have it?
Yeah, I still have it.
Oh, I
was very serious cricketer.
Can you send it to us? There's like just on the phone, send a picture,
I'll
we played. It'll be so funny, to actually see that. Wow.
Steve Waugh, I went up to his.
This has to be true. This kind of story just has to be true.
This is true.
You work so hard,
very young,
your dream, and then
very
Nasir.
One very young Harbhajan Singh. Sunil Joshi
goes on to the fabulous series, Lakshman Harbhajan series, 2001.
Sunil Joshi, the
left arm all-rounder from Karnataka.
I hung around a lot with them.
Did you do Steve Waugh's voice?
So Steve Waugh's voice. I went up to Steve Waugh's room again to get signatures and stuff like that. And once he's done, he was packing up, and I said, "Sir, one souvenir, sir, anything from you, sir, if it's possible." And he looks at me, and one of the Aussie caps.
Give you a cap?
So listen to this. He picked up the cap to give it to me. The cap's Velcro got attached to his jersey's collar. So both of them went up. And by the time he realized to pull that off, I picked up both of them. I said, "Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir." So I have Steve Waugh's jersey.
He didn't make
He looked at me, smiled. One of those practice jerseys.
He let you keep a baggy green and a jersey.
So I have a baggy.
You still have that?
Yeah, I still have that.
Oh, that's fantastic, bro.
Glenn McGrath. I mean, I was Glenn McGrath and Adam Gilchrist.
Yeah.
We had brought in and
who was the friendliest?
You want to listen to that?
Yeah.
Jason Gillespie was making his debut at that point of time. And I was at the night shift, as I said. I remember him walking at 2:30 in the lobby. Nobody's there. And he's just walking around.
But he's 6'6".
Yeah, he's walking around. And I, being a very friendly guy, I look up at him and say, "What's up, man?" He said, "Hey, man, I got a match tomorrow morning and I'm just prepping." He said, "I'm hungry." I said, "Can I get you a milkshake?" I asked the room service to get him a milkshake. Sat, spoke for half an hour.
I spent 3 weeks with Jason Gillespie. Lovely guy.
What a guy.
Aussies are very, I don't think they understand, now with IPL, they understand star culture. But it's sort of, they're stars, but it's normal.
Yeah.
You can
because the
Aussie,
Aussie,
"Hey, Ricky, what's up?" and just have a conversation.
In Australia and Sydney, cricket is not really looked up as much as the rugby or any other sport is.
Aussie rules. Aussie rules will be 1, but cricket would be 2.
Yeah, 2,
but I still don't think they get the match, the way subcontinental cricket.
The way we are crazy about
I would say Sri Lanka, Pakistan also. It's just absolutely madness.
Yeah, true.
Like Vaibhav Suryavanshi will never get married. Because everybody will say, "Meri beti ko dekh." It'll just go on like that for, imagine everywhere he goes, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everywhere he goes. Vaibhav,
Listen to another cricket story from the hotel line. Zimbabwe cricket team had come over.
Yeah.
They were playing the Board President 11.
This is Heat Streak's team? Whose
This
team?
is, yes, Heath Streak, Douglas Hondo, all these people. So
Okay.
Douglas Hondo
Yeah.
is in the room. Again, bellboy,
Hmm.
checks him in. Friendly banter, conversation. He said, "Hey, man, I'm looking for a trimmer."
Hmm.
His hair was growing a little bit. So he
Oh,
said,
was
"I'm
it for there or was it for...
I don't know. So I'm looking for a trimmer. Do you think? So I said, yeah, there is a shop right opposite somewhere. I'll get it for you. Now, this is how we also used to make a little bit of money.
Right.
You know? Somebody like 1,000 rupees ka kuch saman
And
hai,
they keep
to
the change.
800 rupees kar diya, so 200 you will keep, that sort of a thing. So I went up. I still remember one of those very light trimmers which is not meant for hard
Strong
hair,
hair. Yeah.
African hair. I picked that up. थोड़ा cheap था, पैसा बड़े वाले का लिया, cheap लिया, मैं लेकर गया, and I still remember, this is the scene. I go up to his room, I said, this is it. Thanks, man. While having a conversation with me, he's like, yeah, so we're going to be playing a game and this thing or the other. He goes out,
Broke.
It fucking got stuck in his hair and it broke. And I'm standing right over there and he looks at me and all I turned around and said, sir, paise wapas nahi honge, sir. I can't get you your money back, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. He said, no, dude, that's all right, but it's stuck. And then I had to literally pull out that clipper from his hair. And say,
So your first romantic moment was with that lady or with Douglas Hondo? Which came first?